Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just going to get straight into it. We're going to get started with the eyes, and I have my foundation and concealer on already, as you can see, and that's basically because I didn't want this video to be too long. So like I said, we're going to go in with the eyes, and we're using this Venus palette by Lime Crime. I really like this palette because look how gorgeous the colours are. It's so simple, yet there's so much that you can achieve. So I'm coming a bit closer so that you guys can see what I do, and we're going to get started off with this red colour. It's kind of like it's a deep red but kind of burgundy, as you can see, but I'm just going to put that into my crease, and I'm going to start off in circular motions and then swipe back and forth till I'm happy. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this orange earthy tone just to help diffuse any harsh edges that I might have, and it also gives a nice ombre effect so that the two colours diffuse from one another. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with this deep brown, and this colour is so nice and rich. I'm using it to add some definition in the outer corner of my eye. This adds this kind of elongated effect to the eye and makes it a little bit smoky. So you want to focus it mainly on the outer corner, but also swipe it into the crease a little bit. It looks so pretty already. I'm just taking the brush that I used earlier just to help diffuse everything together, and now I'm going underneath the eyes. I like to do this before I do anything on the lid, just because sometimes I forget which brushes I've used and I can get a little bit messy, so I just like to use the brush before I forget. So I'm basically just smoking underneath my eyes with the same brush that I used for the orange tone, and I'm just building that up and deepening it till I'm happy. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this white colour. It's got a nice shimmer to it as well, but it's also quite subtle. I'm just taking a flat brush and placing that on my lid. As you can see, I'm going to create a little bit of a cut crease with this, but it's nothing too fancy, nothing too neat. If you mess it up, it's fine, you can always clean it up later. So now I'm just going back in to blend everything together nicely so everything is one. So I'm basically just blending the edges of between the outer corner and the white lid shape. And now I'm going to go in and add a little bit of glitter, and I'm using my Urban Decay glitter liner in the gold. And I'm just going to use this to define the cut crease, just to add a little bit of something, something extra to pizzazz it up. You have to be a little bit careful in this part because it can get messy, and you have to also try and keep your hand as steady as possible. If you do make any mistakes, from my experience, I have made some mistakes, what you want to do is wait for the glitter to dry and then clean it up, otherwise it does get a bit messy. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling myself. What do you guys think so far? I think it's cute. Oh, yes, girl. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my lashes, and I'm using the Lily lashes in Faux Miami, and they are so fluffy and nice. I'm just going to do that off camera and come back. I'm back now. Hey guys. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlighter. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Trophy Wife, just because I thought it'd go well with my top. I'm wearing a yellow top, might as well have yellow highlighter, why not? Now I'm going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And then I'm going to add a little bit more highlighter. Honestly, I'm going crazy with this stuff. Now, time for the lips. So I'm going to go in with something quite simple. I'm just going to go in with this Huda Beauty liner in the shade Girlfriend, I believe. And I'm just going to fill in all my lips. So I don't really want to do anything too much because the main focus is the eyes. So I'm just filling in my lips, and then I'm going to put a gloss. And I think I'm going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb. So yeah, that's going to be my lip combo. Look how juicy my lips look now. I'm so silly. But yeah, I think this lip gloss is so nice, and that's the final look. But before I go, I've got a little something extra for you guys. Since it's getting to summertime, I thought I might purchase the Fenty Beauty Body Lava and use it today. Why not? I think last year I didn't get it because I looked at the reviews and I was like, I'm not sure if I really need it, but I am going on holiday. Well, I'm going away, so I thought I'm going to rinse this out on my vacation. So, you know, might as well. So here's me thinking that I'm Rihanna. Doing that shoulder thing. Okay, so now I'm putting my earrings on because I'm feeling like a spicy señorita. I literally feel like I'm that salsa dancing emoji. That's like my favourite emoji to use, literally. Now we have completed the look. I think this is such a pretty look. You can wear this if you're going to a wedding, you can wear this on a date night, you can just wear it anytime, and it's so easy. Yeah, I'm just literally feeling myself now, but I'm gonna go. I will see you guys soon. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that bell notification button so you don't miss my future uploads. See you guys soon. Bye!